The F-22 possesses the ability to point its nose at will, leaving it extremely low airspeeds and high angles of attack. Watch closely as the aircraft pulls into the vertical and executes a 360-degree aileron roll. At altitude, the jet will then flip backwards and level off. Then, in less than 2,000 feet of altitude and under complete control, Captain Larson will execute a full 360-degree flat turn. Show you what those advanced flight controls and engines can do. As it executes the power loop, you'll see why the aircraft is unmatched in a vertical flight, as it carves through a loop and doubles its altitude at the end. At the top of the loop, you'll see the Raptor rotate around one spot in the sky, utilizing the vector thrust of two powerful engines, which will literally flip the aircraft through the vertical and back to level flight. Ladies and gentlemen, to my favorite song, the F-22 Raptors Power Loop. Who's having fun? Mini jets can turn tight. Mini jets can roll quick.